This video will show you how to set up a workflow that automatically adds a free item to your customers' orders. Before you get started, check if you're using an edit order plan that supports automation. Then, make sure you've installed Shopify Flow. Once you're set up, let's move on to the steps. First, navigate to Apps in the Shopify admin and choose Edit Order from the list. Scroll down to Shopify Flow and press the button. On this page, make sure you're seeing Edit Actions, and then click New Edit Action. Under Free Item, press the plus button. Here, name your promotion. Then click Add Product. Search or scroll down to the item you want to add. Edit Order will automatically discount the price to 0 if it hasn't been already. Click Save. Under the name of your promotion, you'll see an action ID with a number appear. Click the number to copy it and save it for the next step. Now you're going to want to navigate back to Apps, and this time click Shopify Flow. Here, click Create Workflow and then choose Select a Trigger. From the menu, click the trigger that best suits your business needs. For this demo, I'm going to go with Order Created. To add a step in your workflow, click the plus symbol. I'm going to set a condition here so that my free item will only be added to orders with the discount code FREE14. To do this, click Condition and then once again choose Condition below Shopify. Select Add Criteria, choose Order, and then scroll down to Discount Code. Enter FREE14 in the discount code section before moving on to the next step. If you skip setting a condition, your free item will be added after the first trigger in all circumstances. Once you've set your condition, click the plus symbol next to Then and select Action. Under Installed App Actions, you'll see Edit Order by Cleverific. Click this and then select Edit and Add Items. Type in order.id as shown, and then paste the action ID you saved from earlier. When you're finished, make sure to turn on your workflow and name it. Now your workflow is up and running. If you'd ever like to turn it off, you can always choose Turn Off Workflow. To check if your workflow has been successful, navigate to your order list and find the tag that reads Slow Action along with your action ID. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@editorder.net. We're always here to help.